So today we're making cinnamon eclairs. We're gonna start with making our pastry cream. Bring your milk, sugar, vanilla and cinnamon to the boil. Mix your egg yolk, starch and flour and add your hot milk to it. Put this all back into the pan and bring it to the boil. After cooking, add your butter and mix in. Once incorporated, set it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. For the pot de choux, bring milk, butter, sugar and salt to a boil. Add your flour to it and cook it through. Once cooked through, add this to your stout mixer. Start mixing at medium speed. Add your eggs one by one. Preheating your oven at 230 degrees. Pipe the batter in the desired shape. Once your eclairs are in the oven, put the oven at 160 degrees for about 40 minutes. Fill the eclairs to your liking. I used a special eclair tip for this. For the glaze, cook everything and add it to your white chocolate. I also added some cinnamon for the color. Glaze your eclairs with the glaze being 28 degrees. And go enjoy these beautiful eclairs. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.